This week we are making the Pinecone Reindeer. Reindeer in German is Rentier. How easy is that? Speaking of easy, this week's craft is super simple and a lot of fun. Let's get started by opening up our craft kit.
Inside your craft kit, you'll find a pine cone, some tan felt, 2 googly eyes, a red pom-pom, a bell, some ribbon, though it may not look like this, and some string. As usual, you'll also need a pair of scissors and some kind of glue. I'm using hot glue, but Elmer's will also work.
This week we also need some supplies that you can find in your own backyard. Grab your coat, because we're going hunting for twigs.
You want to look for a twig that has at least 3 branches. This is going to make the best antler. Trim it down, because we don't need the whole thing. Cut a few extra twigs just so you have options when you go inside. Now we're ready to get started. Start by taking your red pom-pom, add a dot of glue, and place it right in the center of your pine cone. Next, we'll glue the googly eyes on either side of the red pom-pom. Now we'll move on to the ears. Trace 2 long teardrop shapes on one side of the tan felt. I like to make them rounded at the tips, but it's up to you. Once you've got a shape you like, cut them out. To attach the ears, we're going to find a space behind the eyes where there's a big enough gap for the felt to fit. Add a generous amount of glue and place each ear with your tracing on the back. These ears are best placed to the side of each eye, and you'll see why once we add the antlers. But we're not to the antlers just yet. First, we're going to tie a bow. Grab your ribbon, whatever it looks like, and tie a knot in the center. Follow the knot with a bow, the same way that you tie your shoes. If you can't tie your shoes yet, maybe ask a grown-up to help with this part. Next, we'll attach our bell to our bow. Then attach the bow underneath the nose. Moving on, find the middle of your string and starting at the center bottom of your pine cone, weave the string in between the prickles. And I'm not kidding, the petals of a pine cone are called prickles. And just like that, you've finished your Christmas cat. Just kidding, we need to add the antlers. Add a generous amount of glue to each stick and place it behind the ear but towards the center of the head. They look best when they're more upright. With both of its antlers, your reindeer is ready to fly.
Once you've completed your Pinecone Reindeer, make sure they find their way back to a tree. I'll be back next week with one final ornament, but until then, tschüss!